Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins. I have got a few silver coins from the Isle of Man. I'll start off with two old 5p's. This one is from 1975, I believe. Yeah, 1975. And on the back here we have the Tower of Refuge. This has been seen on other coins as well within the Isle of Man coinage over the past few years. Now the second 5p, old 5p that I've got, the old size 5p, again shows Her Majesty the Queen, is from 1976. This one, however, is slightly different, in the sense that it shows you the watermill, the famous watermill with the Isle of Man Triskelion on it, that you'll see in a lot of the publicity shots of the Isle of Man. And it's quite a well-known one. And then underneath the water wheel is, or the steam-driven water wheel, you have a map of the Isle of Man underneath it. Then we come to the 10p's. All of these are from the same year. They're from 1992, and they all show the Triskelion. There's 5 of them. So what I'll do is I'll just put the Queen's head in the centre there, and we'll go out a little bit. Oops, the other way, to the way. Go on. Go out a little bit. They're all the same year. The one in the centre shows the Queen's head with the year underneath it, and then you've got these 4 here show just the Triskelion with the letter, with the number, numeric number 10, to the left hand side of the coin. And you have some Manx language that I can't speak, so I won't even attempt it. So those are Triskelion. They're all the same year. We then have 3 from 2017 and 2019. And they're the one that people will know, they're the modern ones. Whoops. It's of course the Manx cat. Manx cat design. This is probably the one a lot of people will know. The Manx cat being very much a symbol, along with the Triskelion, of the Isle of Man. And to us coin collectors, the other major one, of course, would be the Lockton Ram that go on the back of the coins a lot. Right, the last two. The last one is from the penultimate one is from 2015, and this is both Christina and Angel. Angel is the coin collector's journey, and Christina is Pocket Poet. It's their favourite one. And of course it is the lighthouse at Chicken Rock. That's a bit of an in-joke for those of you who are wondering what I'm going on about amongst the coin tubers. I dare say it would be give a huge giggle to Katie, Christina and Angel. The lighthouse at Chicken Rock. And finally, the last coin is one that shows the German's Cathedral, which is on top of a hill just outside of just outside the capital. And this one is from 2003, and it's German's Cathedral. again, this is just a brief overview of some newer 10p coins from the Isle of Man that I just happen to have lying around, and I wanted to show them off, so to speak. If you've enjoyed this video, although it has been quite short, could you please give me the thumbs up? And also, I'm looking to grow the channel subscriptions this year. I've managed to get up to 78, I believe it is, as it stands of recording. I would like to get up to 100 before Christmas this year, is the mini target I've set myself. I would like to do it before then if possible. If you believe you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you believe I deserve your subscription, I'll be absolutely delighted to have you. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would love you to do so. I'd love to have you along for my Rest My Journey Through coins, banknotes, collectibles and also militaria. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like or that you want to watch this week. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for staying along and to the end of the video, and from me, until we meet up again, ta-da, bye-bye now, ta-da.